Ever had that moment, staring at your phone, wondering, where's that invoice? Did I pay that? When's my next appointment? Especially when you're dealing with home services, plumbers, electricians, cleaners, that paper trail can vanish faster than a dropped sock in the laundry. And let's be honest, calling every company for updates? Ain't nobody got time for that. So, the real question is, in this age of instant access and seamless experiences, does Housecall Pro, a platform built to streamline those very services, offer a customer portal? A place where your customers can log in, see their history, manage appointments, and pay their bills? Because think about it. We live in a world where we can track our pizza delivery down to the minute, manage our bank accounts from our phones, and even watch our robot vacuum clean our living rooms. Why should managing home services be stuck in the Stone Age? We're talking about more than just convenience here. We're talking about building trust. When customers have access to their information, they feel empowered. They see transparency. They feel valued. And in a service industry, that's gold. Now, you might be a homeowner, frustrated with the lack of clarity. Or you might be a service professional, wondering if offering a customer portal could be the key to better client relationships and smoother operations. Either way, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of Housecall Pro and exploring the answer to that very important question. Does it have a customer portal? Before we get to the core of the answer, let's briefly paint a picture of what Housecall Pro is. For those unfamiliar, it's a software solution designed for home service businesses. Think of it as a central hub for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, payments, and communication. It's meant to take the chaos out of running a business and help pros focus on what they do best, providing excellent service. And in that context, a customer portal makes perfect sense. It's the logical extension of that streamlining. It's the bridge between the service provider and the customer. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Does Housecall Pro offer a customer portal? The answer is a resounding yes, with some important nuances. Housecall Pro does indeed offer a feature that functions as a customer portal, though it's often referred to within the platform as the customer experience or customer hub. This isn't a separate, standalone portal in the traditional sense, where customers create an account and log in. Instead, it operates through a combination of email and text message links that provide direct access to specific job information and actions. Here's how it works. Job communication. When a job is created, scheduled, or updated, Housecall Pro automatically sends notifications to the customer via email and/or text. These notifications contain links that take the customer directly to a web page with details about their job. Job details. On this web page, customers can see essential information like the scheduled appointment time, the service being provided, the technician assigned, and any relevant notes or attachments. Invoice and payment. Customers can also view their invoices and make payments directly through this link. This simplifies the payment process and eliminates the need for paper invoices or phone calls. Appointment management. In some configurations, customers can confirm or reschedule appointments through these links, further enhancing their control and convenience. Communication. The platform facilitates communication by allowing customers to message the service provider directly through the job page, ensuring that all correspondence is centralized. So, while it might not be a traditional portal with login credentials, Housecall Pro effectively provides a customer-facing interface that offers similar functionality. But why this approach? Why not a traditional portal? Well, Housecall Pro's design philosophy seems to emphasize ease of access and minimal friction. By sending direct links, they eliminate the need for customers to remember usernames and passwords, reducing the barrier to entry and ensuring that customers can access their information quickly and easily. This approach aligns with the mobile-first nature of the platform. Home service customers are often on the go, and they need information at their fingertips. Providing quick, direct access via mobile links caters to this need. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this customer experience functionality. For service providers, it translates to reduced call volume. Customers can find answers to their questions and manage their appointments online, freeing up staff time. Faster payments. Online payments streamline the invoicing process and improve cash flow. Improved customer satisfaction. Providing convenient access to information enhances the customer experience and builds loyalty. Professionalism. A polished, online experience elevates the brand image and demonstrates professionalism. For customers, it means convenience. Accessing job information and managing appointments is quick and easy. Transparency. Customers can see all the details of their service, eliminating confusion and uncertainty. Control. Customers have more control over their appointments and payments. Efficiency. The streamlined communication and payment processes save time and effort. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations. Some might argue that a traditional portal with a dedicated login could offer more advanced features and customization options. For example, some customers might prefer to have a central dashboard where they can see all their past jobs and service providers in one place. Furthermore, the reliance on email and text messages means that customers need to have access to these communication channels to fully utilize the customer experience. Despite these minor limitations, Housecall Pro's approach is generally effective and well received. It strikes a balance between functionality and ease of use, making it a valuable tool for both service providers and customers. It's also worth noting that Housecall Pro is constantly evolving. They regularly update their platform with new features and improvements based on customer feedback and industry trends. So, the customer experience functionality is likely to continue to evolve and become even more robust over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.